Hello my dear students, in the last class we have discussed the types of angle. So 5 types of angles. No? What are that? First one, zero angle. Zero angle means no angle will be formed. That means the measure of an angle is 0 degree. And second one, acute angle. So what is the definition of acute angle? Just simple definition is measure of an angle is in between 0 degree and 90 degree. We call it as acute angle. So next, right angle. What is the definition of right angle? The measure of an angle is exactly 90 degree. It is exactly equals to 90 degree. That angle we call it as right angle. So next, fourth one, obtuse angle. What is the definition of obtuse angle? The measure of an angle is in between 90 degree and 180 degree. We call it as obtuse angle. So next, fifth one, the last one for last class, straight angle. Straight angle means the measure of an angle is exactly equals to 180 degree. That angle we call it as straight angle. So the next one, sixth one is, today's first one is reflex angle. So that is sixth one. I have done sixth. What is that angle? Reflex angle. Reflex angle. Some of you not understanding my cursive writing, so that's why I am trying to write the letters separately. Okay. So what is the definition of a reflex angle? So first, see this figure. So give it name as O A B. Okay. So where is the reflex angle? Reflex angle definition is the measure of an angle is in between 180 degree and 360 degree. In between 180 degree and 360 degree. The measure should be greater than 180 and less than 360. So here two angles are there. First one, this is one angle and this is also one angle. Yes or no? Right? This is one angle, this one angle. Two angles are there. So which one is reflex angle? So first one, above this one is a reflex angle. So this is obtuse angle. Which angle? This one. Second one, obtuse angle. So this one, first one, reflex angle. This one I will explain in the next classes. So this is a reflex angle. So reflex angle A O B. So what is the definition of reflex angle? The measure of an angle is in between 180 degree and 360 degree. It is called as reflex angle. So write down the definition. The measure of an angle. The measure of an angle is in between 180 degree and 360 degree. Is called reflex angle. Reflex angle. So this one, let us take 210. So here 210 is in between 180 and 360. No. So angle AOB is 210 degree. So write down normal examples. 180. One is also possible because this is in between 180 and 360. Next, 359 is also possible, but don't take the 360 degree exactly. Okay. In between 200, 300 degree, 320, etc., etc. Okay. So this is the definition of reflex angle. So what is the definition of reflex angle? The measure of an angle is in between 180 degree and 360 degree. This is important. Just remember this. Reflex is in between 180 degree and 360 degree. It is called reflex angle. So next one and the last one. Which angle is? Last one is complete angle. So last one is complete angle. Complete angle. This is a very simple and confusing also. So give it name as O, A, here B is there. I have taken B here only. So first, this is initial ray. Initial ray moving towards left side and come back to its original position. If it is here, this is acute angle. Initial ray, final ray. Initial ray move towards left side. Final ray lies in between 0 degree and 90 degree. Like this, it is moving towards its original position. It come back to its original position. Okay, so this one is a ray moving towards its original position. So OA is a initial ray, OB is a final ray. Okay, so this one is a complete angle. Complete angle means one complete rotation. One complete rotation means how much? 360 degree. No, one complete rotation means 360 degree. So what is the definition of a reflex angle? So complete angle definition is exactly equals to 360 degree. So the measure of an angle is exactly equals to 360 degree is called complete angle. So how to write this one angle? BOA, BOA or AOB, both are same now. So this one is equals to 360 degree. Understand no? This one complete angle. Complete means one complete rotation is 360 degree. Just remember, complete means 360 degree. Complete angle means the measure of an angle is exactly equals to 360 degree. Okay. So these are the types of angles. So total how many types of angles are there? 7 types of angles. So what are the first one? Zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and last one is complete angle. Okay. Now we will study the types of angles. So the first question. So what is that first one? Identify the following angles as acute, obtuse, right, reflexive, zero, and straight. Okay. So how to identify this one? So if you want to identify the angles, first you should know the definition of all these types of angles. Then only you get to identify the angles. Okay. So first one, 70 degree. So first, just remember it. Here 70 degrees in between which degrees? In between 0 degree and 90 degree. No, which angle it is? That is acute angle. No, so 70 degrees acute angle. Acute means in between 0 degree and 90 degree. So next, the second one, 90 degree. So observe it properly. 90 degree. One angle is there which is exactly equals to 90 degree. Which angle it is? That is right angle. Right angle. Sorry. Here no, this one. So next BC. Next 185. 185. So 185 is in between which degrees? That is, this is greater than 180 no, and less than 360. The angle which is in between 180 degree and 360 degree, which angle it is? That is reflex angle. No, today only first one I have explained the reflex angle. So 185 is a reflex angle. So next 0 degree. First type of angle. 0 degree means name only says no. 0 degree means 0 angle. 0 angle. So next 125 degree. So 125. This is in between which degrees? 125 in between which degrees? This is in between 90 degree and 180 degree. So which angle is this? This is obtuse angle, no? Obtuse angle. So next 65. Tell me 65 degree. Which angle? Acute angle. 350 degree. Tell me 350 is in between which degrees? 180 degree and 360. No, that means which angle? Reflex angle. So and last one is 179. So observe this properly. This is in between which degrees? 179 is in between 90 degree and 180 degree. No, which angle it is? Obviously obtuse angle. So this is the way of identifying the angles. Okay students, so this is the homework problem. What is that? Same question but I will change the numbers. Okay, just identify the angles. This is a homework problem. I hope you understand the today's concept.